Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Thank you for being here today and welcome back to Yoga for You. My name is Amanda Boucher, and today we're going to do a meditation practice, really honing in on your truth and what you desire outside of everything else in your life. So before we begin, if you have headphones, we encourage putting those on just to help kind of drown out the noise in your environment and help you tune in to yourself. When you're ready, come to a comfortable position and bring your hands onto your thighs. Sit up nice and tall and close your eyes. Start with a few deep breaths, breathing in and out. Let's do that one more time. Big breath in and out. Let your breath go into its natural rhythm. And start to connect with your breath by focusing on the area in your body that you feel it the easiest, or it's the most obvious. So that could be in your belly, in your chest, or on the upper lip just below the nostrils. And once you pick that spot, really hone in your focus and concentration there. And if the mind wanders, which it will, just gently bring it back to that point of focus. And do your best to quiet the mind so you can get really clear. In order to get clear on our truth, we have to be able to still the mind. Part of stilling the mind isn't getting rid of the thoughts or denying any part of our experience, but slowing everything down enough that there's space between those thoughts and sensations. You become less attached and distracted by them. Everything can still exist and you be able to connect to your truth. Often we'll think that we have to wait for a certain state of mind or even our environment to be a certain way for us to do the things we really want to do. Things that resonate with our hearts. The things that feel so right that it'll shake us to the core. It's almost like an eruption because we can put things aside over and over and over again that they almost feel like they don't exist or can't even be true. So with that all in mind, come back to the breath. Keep focusing your attention on that one spot and get really still. And get really subtle. Let go of the thinking process. Touch instead the beyond of thoughts, emotions, feelings. Let your presence get bigger than that. And let your truths just kind of seep in. Let it crawl out from the depths of your being. Pull off all the seaweed. It might even appear as a skeleton because it's been hidden for so long. And don't be afraid of that. Just let it come forth. It might appear kind of scary, overwhelming. And we'll want to turn away and run back to where it's safe. But being safe all the time isn't your truth. Keep staying with that breath. Keep centering yourself. And the last part of this I want to discuss is knowing that this truth doesn't have to be some grand thing that's so big that everyone has to see. Sometimes these truths are really small, but have a profound effect on how we live and create presence in this world. Don't worry about being impressive. Let the peace that you create within and the truth that comes out be the way you get to live day by day, moment by moment, so that you can feel free. And when you feel free and open and truthful, you give something to everything and everyone around you. It's the greatest gift you can give. Being yourself. And start to deepen your breath. Feel free to stay if you want to stay. Or bring your hands to heart and bow your head down to your hands. Take this last moment to integrate, to feel all the energy that you've gathered. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day and that some piece of your truth was able to be unveiled, and that you get to share that with the rest of the world today. Namaste.